Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a letterhead using Microsoft Word. So how to make a letterhead using Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, point the cursor to the top of the page. Then double-click. To adjust the distance, tap the up and down arrows. Usually for the header there is an image and also writing. To add an image, tap the Insert menu, and then Insert Image. Tap Insert Device Image. Select the image to be inserted. Reduce the image by. Point the cursor to the end of the image and drag to reduce the image. Then tap Right and select Crop. You can crop and adjust. And to move the image, select the icon on the right of the logo and select for the image above the text. Then tap the image and slide to adjust as desired. Second, to add text. How to tap the Insert menu. Tap the Table menu and add a table according to the line of text to be created. In the first row, to make the text in the center, tap the Home menu and tap Text Center Alignment. Type the text you want to insert. The language, here I type Microsoft Word. And here you can change the text style, text size, and bold according to your needs. On the second line, to make the text in the center, and tap Text Center Align. Type the text you want to insert. The language, and type the text. Next, delete the table line. Tap on the end of the table. Tap Table Line. And select No Border. Add a line by. Tap the Insert menu. Tap the Shapes menu. And select the box. Then point the cursor to the place where the line will be given. Tap and drag to the right. You can see the results of the letterhead in MS Word. And this will repeat on the next page. So that's it. How to make a letterhead using Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.